So we took some more photos, so we're at this stage now. So can you see how the light is reflecting slightly differently between the upper left one and the upper right one? That's because there's a bit of excess material here. So what we need to do is just use the disc and just reduce that area here, and hopefully we'll get a similar line angle to this one here. That's your upper right one. That will be basically this area here. Okay, so get your disc, reduce the speed, turn it round. Don't want any water. Okay, that looks better. Right. Also, let's just smooth in what we just added on. Right. Open a bit wider, thank you. Make sure the backs are nice and smooth. I'm going to reduce all the, just a bit more upright on the heights, make them a little bit shorter. So if a tooth looks a bit too wide, you can just bring in the angles a bit closer to the center. Okay, turn this round so you can see what you're doing on the other side. Okay. All right.